out with the fire in my bones, me live wild. Never beg pardon for the things I pass. Some nights rough, some tears drop, but me still hold firm and ride out the blast. Yeah. Me know me do things we cut deep. Me know me make choices we burn bridges fast. But every day me try to bring me right, yeah, so standing tall like me born for the task. Them try to judge, but me no bow down. Me rise high, every time them talk. Life twists up, but me keep moving. Holding faith even when road dark. No regrets in all my soul. Me live life bold, never crawl, never fold. Everything I'm in to bring me here, so me claim control. Me nah look back on pain, me turn all strength to gold. Them want see me fall, but me stand firm. Heart cold, me proud of the journey me walk. Every bruise, every toll, me free now, me strong now, me rise up, at the time, me stumble, cause them shape the warrior we talk. You know me come from enough chaos, still me push through every low blow. Me used to chase things whenever good for me, but me still learn fast, so to grow. All the wrong turn, guide me right, show me path where me never knew. Me not carry shame like weight on my back. Me dropped that long time ago. Me trod clean with a wild heart beating, ready for light up any show. No regret, me say again. Every choice brings strength to my frame. Me live fierce, raw, and tame. Never sorry for the fire we run through my vein. Them want rewrite my past, but me write it with pain and gain. Me not trade one day, even the ones we full of rain. Me broke free from doubt, me claim my reign. Me day are proud, steady seeing. Life calm me out, refine my brain, no regret, me hold that name. Me see the trials as trophy, every setback as lesson will sharpen my stance. Me live loud, me live real, never hide from the cause of my dance. If me hurt people, on the way me wish them peace, but me still advance. The journey rugged, but my spirit full grown. Me ready for any chance, me build my own space, me guide my own balance. Me rise with a wicked confidence, unstoppable when me glance. Life rough but me rougher, me moving powerful cadence. No regrets, run through my vice. Me choose every step, my honor, my choice. Life bend me, shape me, still me rejoice. Got a man me be now come from every night. Them thought, them plot, but them can't destroy the pride me hold. The truth me imply, me stand